Okay, so I got kind of a cool video for you guys today. My car, the kid previously rebuilt the shifter, but kept this and gave it to me when he sold me the car. There's the part number, Mazda Miata. It's the 5X Racing brass shifter bushing. So I'm going to tell you guys how to install this today. I looked on YouTube to make sure, and no one really does a good video on it. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to want to take out your center console. So that's going to be this whole part right here. It's hard to see, but the whole thing and the shift knob off. Start by doing that. Okay, so I got the center console out. If you guys don't know, there's 2 screws in the center area and then 2 up front. And that will take the center console off. Now we got to get these 4 10mm screws out. Alright, now that you have that off, you should have just your turret exposed. So you're going to take those 3 10mm bolts off. You see one of mine snapped from the previous owner. Not a huge deal. But yep, the center console's out. We're going to take the turret shifter area out now. Be careful, this is going to drip fluid. Okay, now I have my shifter out. You're going to want to try to keep it neutral when you pull it out of the car. It just makes it easier to put back in. So I had to use a screwdriver to get mine off, so I guess mine was pretty good because it was hard to get off. But you can see here, I guess my shifter already does need another rebuild. Kid rebuilt it right before I bought it, but I'll buy the parts and I'll probably do it soon. But we're still going to throw this bushing on. So I'm just going to put the bushing on. Make sure you put it on the right way. It should just snap on a little bit. You see how that barely moves. It's very difficult to actually move this. That's how you want it to be. Make sure it's on all the way. And there you go. It's going to pop right off, unlike the OEM one. That's how they made. Some people tell you to put it in the trans turret, which I might do depending. But I'm going to put it on here for now. Let's put it in the car. So with my car, I got lucky. It just sat right in perfect. You're going to line this back up and you're just going to put it down. Make sure the front, there's going to be like a front little notch. It's got to go forwards. It's only can go in one way. And I can already tell this is much better. Now it's in, you're going to want to put the boot back on and just do all the beginning steps in reverse. And then you're done. Alright, so I forgot to mention, it would be the perfect time to replace the turret fluid, but I already did it, so it's not a big deal. But I can already tell it is much more notchy, and I love it. So big shout out to 5X Racing for the shifter bushing. And I think I'm going to enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little short one to show you guys how to install it, because a lot of people don't really know. So I would say this is probably the easiest thing you could do on your Miata to give it just a little bit more performance. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more like this.